It is a common myth that a large foot size means a large penis, and a small foot size leads to a small penis. I have heard once or twice, "That guy's feet are huge, he must have a big you-know-what." Although this may seem far-fetched, our study was designed to see if Cal Poly students alone do not believe these are directly correlated. Our study question is, do Cal Poly students believe there is a direct correlation between foot size and penis size? Our proposed hypothesis is that Cal Poly students do believe there is a direct correlation between foot size and penis size, whereas our null hypothesis is Cal Poly students do not believe there is a direct correlation between foot size and penis size.
In 2002, a study from the University College Hospitals in London measured penises and feet of 104 men and found no correlation whatsoever. The BJU had another UK study published that concluded that the size of a man's penis does not correlate to his shoe size despite popular opinion. In this particular study, researchers measured the foot size of men who wear size 8 through 13 shoes and compared the foot size to the size of the man's penises. In addition to this, in 1993, 2 Canadian doctors measured the height, foot size, and slightly stretched penile length of 63 men. The length of the penises was linked to both height and foot size, but the correlation was pretty weak. The researchers who won the 1998 Nobel Prize for Statistics for this study warned there was no practical utility in trying to predict penis size from either of those other measurements. But despite this, popular opinion is still that there is a direct link between penis size and foot size. Many women claim that the longest penis size they have ever encountered belonged to the men who had large feet. And some men also believe that they have a large penis because they have large feet. So despite that the research has shown that there is no direct link between penis size and foot size, we decided to conduct an experiment on whether Cal Poly students think there is in fact a link between foot size and penis size. In order to determine whether Cal Poly students believe in this myth, we will perform the following study. We will perform an experimental study in which we sample 200 Cal Poly students. 100 of those will be male, and 100 of those will also be female. We will ask them the following question. Do you think foot size affects penis size? Okay, so we are conducting an experiment on whether Cal Poly students think that there is a link between foot size and penis size. So do you think that there is a link between foot size and penis size?
Yes, I do. Only because I feel like a lot of my friends think that, and although I don't have exact research, I feel like if that many people think there's some sort of correlation, it comes from some aspect of truth. So yeah, I think so.
Do you believe that there's a correlation between foot size and penis size?
Yes.
Why?
Because that's why. It's a thing.
So do you think there's a correlation between foot size and penis size?
No, what? No. There's absolutely not true. There's no way. There's absolutely no way.
Do you think that foot size affects penis size?
Yeah, I do, because foot size indicates height. So the taller you are, the larger the foot you have. And I also think that the taller you are, the larger penis size you have. So therefore, the larger the foot, the larger the penis.
After surveying an equal amount of Cal Poly male and female students, we predict that regardless of gender, Cal Poly students do not believe there is a direct correlation between foot size and penis size, proving our null hypothesis to be true. Our experimental study would consist of selecting 100 male and 100 female Cal Poly students at random. After selected, our team would proceed with asking them whether they believed a man's foot size affects the size of their penis. Once we conclude the collection of our data, we would compare results of students who believe there is a correlation against students who do not believe there is a correlation. This would lead us to come to a conclusion as to whether or not Cal Poly students believe that foot size affects penis size. We expect our predictions to be met, rejecting our hypothesis and supporting their null hypothesis of Cal Poly students do not believe that there is a direct correlation between foot size and penis size.